On July 13, 2024, Duchess Katharina of Oldenburg and Count Clemens Moy de Sands were married at St. Ulrich's Church in Rastede, Oldenburg. Duchess Katharina is the only daughter and youngest of 4 children of Christian, Duke of Oldenburg, and head of the Grand Ducal family of Oldenburg, and his wife, Countess Caroline von Rantzau. Count Clemens is the son of Count Guy Moys de Sands and Verena von Stein zu Lausnitz. After the ceremony, the newlyweds returned to Rastede Palace, once the summer residence of the Oldenburg ducal family, where the reception was held.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
The Duchess with the Oldenburg's diamond loop tiara. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.